Hey, what up, you uglies? Hey, didn't I tell y'all? Test and tune, if it would've broke. This was the very first one that we made, but I elongated this hole, so that made the entire mount pointless to even test. But to test it, just to see how it would do, I had to have this bolt right here super tight. So, well, fuck you then, nigga. Hook ass nigga trying to just be polite and wave to people. Motherfucker just look at you like you're stupid. Whatever, but yeah. Making this hole elongated made it pointless to even have this mount, because I'm giving it somewhere for the motor to actually move. Because solid, and then when the motor torques backwards, bam, it have space to move. So that was dumb. So we tested the second one that I broke. Snap that completely in half. This is the one off the car right here. This was the one that was on the car that I made. A little bit different from the first one. See, with the solid hole. And we popped this doing the test. So now, booyah, baby, we moved to metal D-Series DogBone motor mount. D-Series DogBone solid mount, baby. Looking mighty good. We just gotta freshen her up though, and that's it, baby. Oh, that's nice. I just gotta make it pretty. But so we gonna make this pretty, throw it on the car, and go for some testing, baby. So let's do that. GoPro, stop recording. Now y'all know. Let me go get it. Let me go get it. Where did I put it? Oh. Hey, y'all better not be trying to clown me either. Talking about I look like Blackula. With my collar popped. That we tested this, right? This was the first one. We elongated the hole, which made it useless, but we got some tests out of it though, and we know that it held. So now we had this one on there, the one we broke in the video, snapped in two pieces, bam bam. Well, actually it would be like this, something like that. So yeah, that snapped. So we went from there. Wasn't really liking this design. Too thin. Looked too much like a penis. Then too much like boobs. You know, wasn't really getting the shape that the design that I wanted. Got close to this one, but we tested this one. It was holding and it didn't end up snapping. Move from there to bam, finished product. It will actually go on the car like this too. This would be the front of the car, that's the rear. Made this bad boy by hand. And already got the holes marked. So here is the hardware right here. Little washer and bolts. So let's put this bad boy on the car. Okay, boys, got her on there, looking good. I'm gonna tighten these bolts a little bit more, and then we're gonna drop her down and go for a drive, test her out. Okay, boys, boys. We in the car. Ready to test the mount. So far, boys, she's feeling good though. Works really good. So I'm gonna you know, start making those for you guys and put the logo on them, and you know, start moving to other platforms. But this your boy SR Rico. Rate, comment, subscribe, and remember, never waste your time with no one. I'm out. Peace.